The Buzzaround EX by Golden Technologies offers more standard features to make your riding experience better than ever. Featuring a 350-pound weight capacity, a top speed of 5 miles per hour, and a driving range of an incredible 18 miles per charge. Also, a wraparound delta tiller, a new LED battery gauge, and a new ultra-bright LED angle adjustable headlight. The Buzzaround EX offers a great turning radius and comfort spring suspension for a smoother ride. The Buzzaround EX is full-size yet portable and easy to disassemble in seconds, making transporting it from one destination to another a breeze. Call AutoMobility Store to order your Buzzaround EX by Golden Technologies and receive free shipping.